music I'm gonna choose for this video, but it's okay, we're gonna dance anyway. So in case this is your first time here, my name is Chris. It's so nice to meet you. And to all of my longtime followers, thanks for coming back, y'all. All right, so I know I'm really excited and hyped and stuff, but that's okay. That's okay, there's a reason. I actually just got back from the barber shop and I love how my sides and back came out today, y'all. Like, for real. Okay, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. Turn over here. So I love this shape so much, like, for real. Yeah, I'm digging it. So this is a very, very old twist out. I'm thinking it's like 5 or 6 days old now. So that's why my hair is so big today. Like, it's just been retwisted and stuff like that. So it just kind of gained some height. And I'm kind of feeling like Super Saiyan Trunks. What you think? Super Saiyan Trunks. Not Super Saiyan Trunks from Dragon Ball Super. Not that one. Super Saiyan Trunks from like the Cell Saga. Back then, okay? DBZ fans know what I'm talking about. I decided to take the chance to go already styled. I wanted to show Pete exactly how my twist outs look, you know, like styled. Because usually I go in with my hair blown out, stretched out with slightly the flat iron, like a little bit. My hair is like really tall and it's standing straight up, but I don't really wear it like that. So I kind of wanted him to be able to see exactly what I mean when I just say I want the sides and the back cut and leave the top for the length. Now, I think it did a good job. Basically, he was saying it's more of like an undercut now. It's still tapered and stuff, but yeah, I mean, I'm getting very little, about that much, of my head cut with the clippers. So back here you can probably see where I parted my hair. I actually parted my hair like 4 days ago so that it would kind of permanently stay there. I did that on purpose so that Pete would know exactly what not to touch. Once I wash my hair, and even if I spray it with some water, it'll close right up. I could probably even just take a pick and blend it in a little bit more, but I'll do that. I was excited, I just got on camera. So hopefully today's video won't be too long. I just wanted to come on here and show you how I wash my hair sponges. I mentioned that I haven't had any issues washing these and stuff like that, and I said I would come back and show you, and I did get requested to do so as well. So let's rock. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to be washing this Tornado Coiler hair sponge. Ideally, I'd like to wash this like monthly, but sometimes I'm not even on the front. I forget and I don't even like wash it as often as I should, but it's been fine. And I don't really use like a ton of products in my hair like that, so it doesn't really get like extremely dirty or anything like that. But if you use like a lot of gels and oils and butters and stuff like that, you're really heavy-handed on your products, you might want to wash your sponge way more often than that. So first I like to wash it with a little bit of shampoo. This is the Dove Dermacare Anti-Dandruff shampoo for dryness and itch relief that I've been using for a really long time now. So I'm going to use this today to wash the sponge. So I'm using fairly hot water, not enough to burn my skin, but pretty hot. Take some of the shampoo. Not too much. And I just kind of rub it into the sponge. Massage it into the sponge. Try to be careful not to tear the holes or anything. Depending on how dirty your sponge is, you might want to repeat this at least twice. But honestly, this sponge is not too bad. Like I mentioned in the haul video where I featured the sponge, These are not like the best quality as far as like how they're glued on. So I have to be really careful because this one's a little loose because this is an older one. I have to be careful not to pull on the sponge too much because I don't want to tear it off and have to re-glue it and stuff like that. Ain't nobody got time for all that. While the sponge is really wet, I like to take some vinegar. This is just some white vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar. It really doesn't matter too much. But I'm just going to use some of this. And I'm not going to dilute it because the sponge already has some water in it. So I just have some in the spray bottle because I use this to clean around the house and around the kitchen and stuff. So I'm going to spray this generously. I'm just going to let this sit for about 10 minutes or so, just to kind of disinfect the sponge a bit more. I'm going to set it back here and let it kind of hang out for a bit. I'll be back. All right, y'all, I'm back. So I'm just going to rinse the vinegar out of the sponge. All this vinegar got my whole kitchen smelling like ketchup. Okay. Ketchup and Caesar salad and all that. Trying to get as much water out as possible. Now I'm going to take some paper towel. This is just some Brawny. I'm going to squeeze the sponge down like this to remove more of the water. If not, it's going to take forever to dry. Let's see. You can use a towel too, but I just have some paper towels here. I'm going to take one more. Press down onto the paper towel like this. All right, so I'm pretty much done from here. To dry it, I like to kind of like let it sit up or face down on paper towels or something like that, just to let it dry a little bit faster. As far as how often I like to replace them, ideally I like to buy them twice a year, so you know, every 6 months or so, but it's going to depend on how rough you are on it, you know, how much hair product you use. If the sponge starts to tear, you kind of can't get the same results and stuff like that. It just kind of depends, but I would say every 3 to 6 months for me to replace it, and I'm good to go. This sponge is only, I think it's like $8.99 or something like that, so it's not like breaking the bank or anything like that, so I think that's pretty good.
You say hi to the camera, Chloe? Say hi. They can't hear you like that. Hey. There you go. Say bye. Okay.
I'm totally turning into a sneaker person. That's what happens when you turn into a baseball mom and when you have busted knees like I do. Alright, so I hope you found that helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell that's down there somewhere. That just lets you know whenever I post videos here on YouTube. So hit that bell, don't forget. So thanks once again for watching. I'll see you very soon in another video. Take care.
Be sure to check out my channel homepage and our new channel, The Wind Down with Chris and Ty, for lots more to watch.